So we've all heard over and over and over, failure is not an option. Don't put failure on the table. It has to be success. It's not an option. And I'm wondering if that's true. I'm just here to tell you, maybe not. Maybe you do have to put failure as an option. Because when you put failure as an option, it's so much easier to just go ahead and try it. But when failure isn't an option, that means you have to get it perfect. You have to figure it all out. You have to read the crystal ball and know that it will work out. And how can you do that? It just puts so much pressure on you. And I've done that. I've tried that. I wanted a guarantee on the thing I'm doing. From the simplest thing, like, oh, I need to have a guarantee that I'm choosing the exact right colors for my logo, or the exact right wording for my post, or the exact right name for my program. Oh my God, and it took months and months and maybe years, and it just stopped me. So wanting it to be perfect, wanting it to be failure is not an option, wanting to get an A in every step we do in our business or in life decisions makes it really hard. It makes it very tough. It makes it very stressful on you to the point you can't take the action. And I am now telling you, no, failure is an option and it's okay. Get it out of the system, because failure is just saying, I tried it that way and it didn't work. And I'm just going to try the next day, the next way, the next way, the next way. And of course, we all know the stories of writers who went around to 60, 70, I don't know how many publishers that said no, and then it became a bestseller, like Jack Canfield. We know about the Kentucky Fried Chicken story, and actors that were told, oh no, you don't have it at all. Yeah, maybe they really messed up the first time they did a show their acting, but then they became really good. So failure is an option. It is on the table. And once you say that to yourself, it's okay if I try this and maybe it won't work, but at least I'll know. Life will change. I'm Myrette Sokkari. I'm helping people find a path to a better life, a happier life. And success is important, yes. Define your success and go for it. And then create the life you dream of. Create the life you've been dreaming of, hoping for, and really, really striving to. All right, if you like this and you feel it's useful, please share it with your friends, especially the ones who are really working too hard and afraid to make a mistake. And if you like this, please subscribe to my channel, and there will be more videos coming out on how to create the life we want, how to create money, success, wealth, whatever we want, and all have better relations, better health, so that we can all have a better life.